interrupting the normal broadcast.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 413 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following county, Cali, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia, Jackson and Mason. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and webs or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.